The Leader Who Had No Title is a leadership book written by Robin Sharma. The book is based on the idea that anyone, regardless of their job title or position, can be a leader and make a positive impact in their organization and in the world. The book explains that being a leader is not about having a certain title or position, but rather it's about having the right mindset, attitude, and skills to inspire and influence others. The book is divided into 4 parts. The first part, The Leader Who Had No Title, introduces the concept of leadership without a title and explains how anyone can become a leader. The second part, The 4 Imperatives of Leadership, covers the 4 key skills that leaders must possess: vision, strategy, alignment, and accountability. The third part, The 5 Gears of Leadership, explains the 5 key behaviors that leaders must develop to be effective: leading yourself, leading others, leading a team, leading an organization, and leading a community. The fourth part, Leadership Without a Title in Action, provides real-life examples of individuals who have become leaders without a formal title, along with practical advice and exercises that readers can use to apply the concepts in their own lives. Throughout the book, Sharma uses storytelling and practical advice to illustrate the concepts he is discussing, and he provides exercises and self-reflection prompts that readers can use to apply the ideas in their own lives. He also shares the wisdom of the sages and insights from the great thinkers of the past. The book is designed to help readers to develop the skills and mindset necessary to become leaders, regardless of their job title or position. It's a guide for those who want to take control of their careers and make a positive impact in their organizations and in the world.